Geami is a completely paper-based solution for wrapping and protecting goods during shipment. The die-cut paper expands into a three-dimensional cushioning product that is highly effective for fragile items. Most of our Geami solutions use tissue interleaf for surface protection and improved cushioning values. Additionally, our die-cut solutions have historically been 20-inch widths. Our new Geami MS Mini is a die-cut only solution with a new 15-inch wide paper and is best suited for those who are wrapping products with minimal concern for surface abrasion or smaller products that may not need a full 20 inches of paper width. The MS Mini has a robust, heavy-duty design, ensuring market-leading converter uptime. It is also very compact with its footprint and height. This entire wrapping solution fits very easily into compact pack stations at high-volume distribution centers. From low-volume back-of-store shipments to omni-channel fulfillment at large retailers, the MS Mini will be a great solution for many applications. Reach out to your local Ranpak sales representative or visit ranpak.com today to begin your trial.